eBay loves active sellers. eBay wants you to read eBay's emails that they send us quite often about certain things that you can do. eBay wants you to be online at least once a day because buyers have questions. And if buyers have a question about something you sell and you don't answer it right away, within a reasonable time, they're going somewhere else because there are millions of other sellers on eBay. Or they're going to Amazon, they're going somewhere else. Amazon likes active sellers because you're able to take care of business. And Amazon wants you to be active. And the best way to prove to eBay that, I might have said it, the best way to prove to eBay that you're an active seller, list at least one item daily. I often get the question, can I list at least 2 items daily? Yes, but list at least 1 item daily, okay? You can list 20 items a day, but list at least 1 item daily. I cannot tell you how big this is. This is huge. This is huge. Now, how long do you do that? Well, how long do you want to be successful on eBay? You want to be successful for a month? List for 30 days in a row. You want to be successful for years? List 7 days a week, 365 days a year. List at least 1 item daily. Well, we go to church, we have family time on Sunday, so I've got vacation coming up. What do? You create several drafts, you have an extra draft. Once a week, 1 day a week, you create an extra listing and put it in your draft folder. And on Sunday morning, as you're getting dressed, click list. And that lists that item. You've already taken photos and you've already prepared. So if you've got things like that, if you've got a trip coming up 6 days in a row, spend a little extra time the week ahead of time and do 6 extra listings, throw them in your draft folder, or you can do scheduled listing and eBay will list them for you automatically. And that way you get this boost of being able to list 1 item daily, whether you're there or not. And if you go on vacation, eBay has a way to put your account on vacation so that your items still sell, but you're not penalized for not shipping on time. It's all good. eBay loves taking care of sellers. They do. If that's the number 2 selling tip on earth that I can give you for eBay, and it is, this is giant, then the number 1 biggest selling tip on earth, and here it is, the number 1 biggest selling tip is to join Ryan's group, Treasure Hunting Profits. You can sign up for 1 month and you're going to learn how to source, and you're going to learn how to source things that no one else looks for real fast in this group. Watch the video that is embedded in this link. If you just watch this video and never sign up, you are going to learn on how to find things, how to source things that are money makers. And we don't like 33% ROIs in this group. Our group, we pretty much spend pennies to make $5 and $10 bills. This is the most advanced eBay group ever. That includes all reselling eBay groups. There's more actionable money-making content on how to source and how to sell than any other group on the planet. That's the value that you're getting.